Today I am going to reach the finish line of my 3,800 kilometers bike touring journey. This adventure started in southwest Germany and led me through different countries, diverse amazing landscapes, and faced me with great challenges but beautiful moments as well. Here is the place where I camped last night, and here is how my journey unfolds. Enjoy watching. Good morning, guys. So I have news for you now. Plan is to leave now the compound, go to Algeciras to GLS, see if I can send my bicycle back home with the post. So anyway, I am now going to leave the place and yeah, head to Algeciras, next 10 kilometers. Yeah, now I am heading to Algeciras and passing through the city, heading towards Tarifa. What happened is that the bicycle is very expensive to be sent back home. It's like 150 euros. It makes no sense because I can pay just 50 to take it with me in the airplane. What's left for me to do now is to just not bother my mind with this for now, let it be, and enjoy the ride to the most southern point of Europe, which is the lighthouse in Tarifa, point which I'm going to reach in 2 hours. Today is my last day. I am happy to reach Tarifa. You have no idea. Okay guys, fun fact, listen to this. Every single day it has been sunny and I have been under the scorching heat, right? I even had 42 degrees, 43 degrees. Now when I am arriving and I imagined sun and nice, that's the weather. Yep, that's the weather today. For the trip. I have to climb now to like around 300 meters and then it's going down and then again up and then all the way straight to the lighthouse. I've been climbing now for the last 5 kilometers, but guys, I could see to my left from the street, to the left here I could see Morocco, I could see Africa, but it's very gloomy and you cannot pretty much see anything through the air. On the camera you wouldn't be able to see it. I'm going to show you the first opportunity that I have. It's amazing. 10 kilometers to Tarifa! I am now at the highest point at 340 meters. I am passing the street from Algeciras to Tarifa, and right there through the clouds and the mist in the air you can see Morocco and the mountains. Another 9 kilometers and I am reaching the lighthouse. Unbelievable, such a crazy long journey. Let's go. I am so close. I am so close, man. That's where it is. 5 kilometers left. Okay, let's go. Hey! Okay, we stop here first, buy some beer and celebrate the arrival. This is the beach of Tarifa. Wow, it is absolutely huge. So you have the Mediterranean Sea on this side and you have the Atlantic Ocean on this other side. Okay, so I'm going up to the lighthouse. Let's see if I can go there with the bicycle. So it seems that it is closed. I cannot pass through here, but that's as far as I could reach. This is as far as I could reach. I am in Tarifa now. This is absolutely mental. Wow. Wow. After so many kilometers, after so many days of traveling, so many pedal strokes, so much sweat, so many liters of water that I've drank. Oh my gosh, I am finally there. And now I'm going to look for a nice place to sleep. I'm also going to look for a nice place to drink something and eat. And yeah, enjoy the view. I think I'm going to stop here. This is it. This is it, guys. 2.5 months of riding. I arrived. If I already found a spot. Love. I am in Tarifa! Say hi! Hey, I surprised her. She never knew I will be here. Cheers, baby! Woo! Yay! Tarifa! I arrived, baby! Cheers, guys! Thanks a lot for watching so far. If you watched, if not, go back and watch all the videos from before. It has been an amazing journey, starting from Germany with the paraglider and with the trailer, with the bicycle, traveling to Switzerland, France, Monaco, back to France, through Spain, Gibraltar as well. It was unbelievable, a great journey. So if you enjoyed this so far, don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you in the next one. Or just stick around, because I'm going to show a lot more. Tomorrow as well I'm going to fly the drone. I will have nice weather to fly around. Now it's just really not nice, and yet it's looking amazing, this place. Yeah, stick around. Thanks a lot for your support, so enjoy. Good morning. I am now in Tarifa, day 2. I slept very good here, right on this patch of sand. I had the sand dunes behind me, and the pedestrians that are walking on the promenade on the other side cannot really see what is going on here. Not because I would be kicked away, but you know, it's nice to have your privacy. Packed everything, flew a bit around with the drone. Boy, I tell you, now it's about the mission. How am I going to travel back home? Obviously I could go to the airport and spend a fortune to take the bicycle with me, the luggage, and just fly, and that's it. But you know, I'm trying to make it cheaper if it's possible. You know, you don't just want to pay the biggest price. Why should you do that? So my mission now is to find someone or something, or to go to information center for tourism or something, if there is any possibility to ride back home, to travel back home. Okay, let's kick in the gears and see what I can solve today. That's interesting that Tarifa has so narrow streets, just like in Zanzibar. Wow, that's a pleasant surprise. I'm trying to find the tourism information thing. I think it's in this direction. Okay, so I am apparently here. I don't know. Let's see where it is. Hello, good day. Do you speak English? Okay. I would like to travel from Tarifa to Germany. Is it possible to buy a ticket these upcoming days?
You can go into the bus station better.
In bus station?
Yeah, because I look.
Maybe from Algeciras, yeah. France, oh my god. Because I have to take the bicycle with me too, you know. So I have to travel together with the bicycle to Germany, yes.
It's better, I think it's better going to the bus station.
Where is the bus station? So I go up and then right, yeah.
This is the center of the city.
Good, so then I will go now there, yeah? They are open, it's open.
Yeah, it's open now.
Okay, okay, I appreciate it, thank you very much. Okay, let's go now to the next place, the main bus station. So hard to find something. They have absolutely no buses from Tarifa to Germany, from Algeciras neither, just from Barcelona. This is a complicated thing. I will spend a bit more time in Tarifa, and then I will ride to Algeciras and see if I can find something there. But for now, I just want to relax, enjoy a bit the scenery, the weather, and just have a beer in a restaurant and celebrate properly my arrival here in Tarifa. This is the first time I came now to a restaurant since I started my journey in 2.5 months. First time I sit, and this is the reward that I managed to reach my destination. It's a symbolical reward. Yeah. I decided to leave Tarifa now. I am going to the supermarket, buy some water, and make myself ready for the road for Algeciras, which is 30 kilometers away. Here are no buses that are reaching Germany. From Algeciras I have more chances. That's what I'm heading now to. Algeciras bus station, main bus station. I finally reached my destination in south of Spain, Tarifa. An unbelievable, unique cycling journey comes to an end. Or maybe not. Although I have arrived in Tarifa, a great challenge lays ahead of me. The return back home. The way I am returning back home is anything but straightforward. It would be great if you tune in for the next episode and see what happened as next. Thanks for watching to the end, and see you in the last and final episode of this bike touring adventure.